I need to fix something right now on this car. And no, it's not the duct tape that's holding the CarPlay and the wiring to the dash right now. It's these stupid struts on the trunk that are no longer holding. So let's replace it. I hate that. You only need a little screwdriver and some new lift supports. Let's get into it. So it doesn't fall on my head, I've wedged a broom handle underneath there. And all we need to do is remove these guys. And they're very simple. There's these little springs right here that need to come off. One right here. And one right there. Oh, and that's why you want someone holding it. After 13 years, we're needing to replace them. Old versus new, look about the same. Let's install them. Ho-ho, fixed. Now that's more like it. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Tools and products link below, and I'll see you in the next video.